Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are going to make this beautiful heart-shaped blinged out candle holder. It can hold Bath and Body Works candles, or you can use a candle tray or another type of candle holder and put your candle inside of it. I just think it is gorgeous. It's blingy and it's different, and it's not just for Valentine's Day. You can use it year round. It has mirrors. Look, I can't even talk. It has the mosaic mirror pieces on it. It has glitter. It has a beautiful brooch on it on the inside, and it has a beautiful blingy piece on the front. So guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. So let's get right into it. You will need some hot glue gun, hot glue sticks. You will need some glitter, some paint, a little tea light holder of your choice. You will need some E6000, some wire cutters, a old necklace, paintbrush, a mirror, 2 of the wood hearts from the Dollar Tree, some mosaic tiles. And I hear that Dollar Tree has the mosaic tiles, but I have yet to be able to find them, so I ordered mine from Amazon. So let's jump right into this. So first thing I'm going to do is take the ribbon off of the hearts, because we won't need those, and then I am going to paint the hearts and put glitter on them while they're still wet. Guys, I started to do this gold and silver because I know we as creators here on YouTube is always making silver pieces, and I know it's some people out there that would love to see us do pieces in gold. So I am gearing up to try to figure out something really beautiful to make and make it gold, so I can accommodate my gold lovers out there. And here I am, I'm putting both silver glitter and iridescent glitter on to the hearts while it's still wet. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section what type of gold pieces would you like for me to see about making, so I can start thinking of something and putting something together that will be accommodating or beautiful, or something that each one of you guys would love to see. So next, what we're doing is we're going to take the mosaic tile. Now guys, this first heart, I did it all backwards. As you can see, I just start putting the mosaic tiles down without any type of pattern or anything. And I do not recommend this because you get so many gaps in it, and then you have to put mosaic pieces on top of each other, and it just doesn't look right. So I will take the time to do it the way I'm going to show you next. And then I'm going to take that necklace, and I'm going to place it on the front of one of those hearts, the same place, on the same side that we put glitter on. And I think that is really gorgeous. Now guys, as you can see here, I don't know if you can tell that much, but this heart is not the prettiest heart there is, but you really can't see it right from here. But I'm telling you right now, you need to do it the other way that I'm going to show you. And then I put E6000 and hot glue onto the mirror and made it stand up. And I put Mod Podge on the front of the glitter pieces. And so guys, this is the way I recommend that you do it right here. Take singular strips of your Mosaic tiles, and I know it's going to take a little bit more time, but just take the singular strips and go around and outline your heart that way. This way it is nice and neat and is, you know, blingy worthy, or it's worthy to be stayed out year round. So I'm going to finish doing this, and then when I finish putting all of the pieces on, I'm going to also add a little piece of the necklace, and I'm going to add a Totally Dazzled brooch as well. Now guys, I keep a link for Totally Dazzled down in the description box, so that you guys can go over and get some pieces for yourself. And their prices, as I told you before, are really great for the product that you get. So don't forget to go over there and get you some brooches, because you know, when we doing our DIYs, we might just see how beautiful that one is compared to the other one, guys. So take the time out and go ahead and cut your things in singular strips and put it together. I'm showing you here how I put the E6000 and the hot glue onto the pieces to hold the mirror in place. And then I put a piece of bling wrap or Mosaic tiles down on the where we put the glue at, so it can be covered up. And then once the front is dried, we go through to the back and put the E6000 and hot glue on it and let it dry. Now guys, my original plan was to have this stand up on its own, but of course it didn't happen, and I didn't want to cut the hearts to make it stand up. So now I just put some wooden dowels up under the on each side of the candle, and I cover each one of the wooden dowels with the Mosaic tiles to give it a completed look. So I'm just showing you here that I'm taking the Mosaic tile and putting it around the base of those legs, or around the whole legs, should I say. And that's just going to tie it in with the rest of the heart, or the rest of the candle holder. Now guys, I'm going to outline each one of the hearts on the outside, as well as the front heart. I'm going to outline it on the inside of it as well. And then guys, we'll be finished. I'm going to show you guys the completed look. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And here she is, guys, all the blingy and shiny and shimmery. I just love the way this piece turned out. I think it will be a great addition to anyone's vanity, or just to have around your house, to have a conversational piece as far as your candle holder. And guys, this piece can hold a Bath and Body Works candle, as well as putting a separate tea light candle holder in there, and then putting a tea light in there. And I'm going to show you both of them. Now here it is with the tea light in it, and I really love it. It has that soft ambiance glow to it as well. And I'm going to show you what the Bath and Body Works candle looks like as well, guys. I can also see this as a centerpiece on a Valentine's Day tablescape, as well as I can see it being used at your wedding as for centerpieces. And you can even go a little bit further at a wedding and use this for your unity candle set. Have a pretty decorated candle on the inside, and then 2 pillar candles on either side of it, and you can use that as your middle part to your trio with your unity candle set. So that's just a little bit more options that you have as well, guys. So guys, enjoy the rest of the show of this beautiful piece, and I will see you guys in our next video. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Bye bye, guys.